Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Today's video is about how to backup Epic Games Fortnite and how to restore Epic Games Fortnite. So let's get started. Let's see how to backup Epic Games Fortnite. Open this PC. Go to the location where you have installed your Fortnite. Right click and copy the Fortnite folder. Now go to the location where you like to store your Fortnite backup folder. Right click and paste the Fortnite folder. Okay, this is how you can backup Epic Games Fortnite. Now you can uninstall Fortnite if you want. Now let's see how to restore Epic Games Fortnite. But before that, those of you who are interested to watch me streaming games, kindly go to my second channel named as Spapno. Check the description of this video for the channel link. See you there. Okay? So let's get back to the topic. So I was talking about how to restore Epic Games Fortnite. Open Epic Games Launcher. Click on Library. Search for Fortnite. Click on Install. Select the location where you want to install Fortnite and then click on Install. Let Epic Games download some files around 10-20 MB. Click on Downloads. Now pause the download by clicking on this icon. Then click on this cross icon, cancel the download. Okay, after you cancel the download, you will gonna notice instead of install option, it's showing you the resume option. That means you have done all the steps correctly so far. Now minimize Epic Games Launcher. Make sure to minimize it, don't close it. Now go to the location where have you stored your Fortnite backup folder. Right click and click on copy. Now go to the location where you were installing Fortnite. Right click and click on paste. Okay, in my case, it is asking me, do you want to replace the files in destination or skip these files? If you get the same thing, click on replace the files in destination. If you didn't get it, it is okay. Okay, now get back to Epic Games Launcher. Simply click on resume. Now click on downloads. As you can see, it is verifying, 20% has been verified. Click on downloads. You can clearly see that Epic Games Launcher is verifying the Fortnite game files. It is not downloading it. It will take a decent amount of time to verify it. Don't do anything on the Epic Games Launcher. Let it be as it is. Keep patience. Okay, finally, your Fortnite is ready to play. Have fun. Before I end this video, I want to remind you once again, I have a gaming channel named as Spapno. Please check the description of this video. There will be my gaming channel link. Please click on the link and subscribe that channel. Okay? So that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.